Good evening and welcome to the middle of nowhere, somewhere 2 hours away from Chiang Mai. Today we are going to see some elephants. Look around where we are. Some local Thai village. Not much going on here. This is the car we are getting into, standing up driving. Come on, crab.
Ah, whoa, long leg, long leg.
Yeah.
Long leg, long nose. Everything
This has
long.
got long nose. Long nose.
Long leg, long nose, everything long. Allah.
Everything average.
Ah,
Is it health and safety?
yeah.
Yeah, good.
Super safe.
I thought you said not safe. Pancake. It's a safe drive, don't worry. Holy moly! Shit!
Mate, I'm fucking scared.
It's okay, go! All safe.
Mate, me and you both hung on to that and it went.
I nearly fell back. Literally, I can feel myself going back. Sorry.
It's not even in this dick.
What do you mean?
Oh, it is, yeah.
This.
I need some sort of win on it.
Mate, I've been born in danger. Danger is my second name. Yeah, buddy. Bambakla. Fucking hell. Oh, that's an incredible view. Did he actually say 50 minutes or 15?
Yes, I got 15.
And this is getting it
It's so horrible for you because it's supposed to be jelly. How you feeling?
It's safe. It's safe. I'm looking at the elephants and I'm hungry now. And we have arrived. Nearly. VIP ride. Careful. Oh. Need help? No problem. Need help, anybody? Are you good?
Yes, please. Oh,
There you go. No problem. Coffee good, yeah? Look at this vehicle, what was just driving. Look at it. Sawadee crab? VIP troop for the VIP man and his VIP hat. Okay, let's see what's here. Sawadee crab?
สวัสดีครับ my friend
You okay? Sapai di mai?
สบายดีครับ
Sapai di.
ได้ไหม
Yes.
มาไทย
Dangerous drive. Crazy.
You elephant, huh? You big.
Yeah, he's big. He's big elephant. Pumpui. Pumpui yai.
Pumpu yai.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pumpui yai. I don't need changing room. I just change here. It's okay.
Huh?
I change here. It's okay.
Everywhere for the man, no problem.
Yeah. Is this on top? Yeah.
Yeah. T-shirt up, okay?
Okay.
Otherwise hot, yeah.
Can I go without t-shirt?
No problem.
Big handsome man.
You can show it.
Yeah.
It's funny anyway, isn't it? Great content. Why's mine so? Good, huh? Good sight. Yeah.
Mai.
Spider was big. Banana spider. Bite. Eat.
Oh, I put it wrong way around.
Yeah. No, you haven't. We look backward. Backpack. And longer, you just bring telephone with you. Oh, good. Yeah. Rambo.
Oh, that's the bananas we're gonna feed to elephants. Is that for elephant bananas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You said you can.
Buy a lot banana.
Banana.
Every day buy banana and sugar cane for
Oh,
elephant.
sugar cane, yeah.
Your money go elephant.
Yeah,
okay?
yeah.
You don't worry.
Ah, no, I don't worry.
100%. You know, every day elephant.
Yeah.
Elephant eat
You're
10%.
the elephant.
Elephant eat 10% of the body. One elephant eat 200, 400 kilograms per day.
Per day. Jesus.
The
Imagine
bigger
you eating.
one,
I'm the same.
4 ton eat 400 kilograms, okay?
You know.
Oh, elephant is 4 ton.
Yeah,
fucking
bigger
hell,
one,
easy.
4 ton.
That's fair. Thank you for saving elephant, not riding. Because many in Phuket and everywhere they know riding elephant.
This is rescue.
Oh yeah, that's the road we just came from. All the way around and on that mountain somewhere there. Eventful. Very eventful. Don't want to see the elephants already. Haven't been to one of these ever. Been to Thailand 6 times but never seen elephants. Well, seen them but never went close to them. Yeah.
Funny if it's not making us work like slaves.
Let's go.
Mr. Big Man, we need you Harry banana carry, okay?
Big Hima or Big Mima?
Told you to bring me.
Nice. Man, that's the first time in my life where I'm paying money to work. Making me work.
No. Do banana. Bonbon.
Bon.
If you're not scared, you got a bonbon. Okay? Bonbon.
Bon. Bon. Sawadee krab?
Bonbon.
Take one. Yes. Bon. Ah, he didn't finish eating.
They're well strong.
Come on, Bon. Oh, I'm here.
Yeah, man.
Bon.
Yeah,
Bon.
He's not finished eating yet.
Yeah. Fucking hell, man. He doesn't want to listen to me. Bon.
You have to go close.
Oh yes, there we go. Okay, no.
I just told you. It's fucking close as fuck.
Touched my hand on his massive teeth.
Right.
Here, my brother. You look, you're gonna pick it up now.
Pregnant, okay? Yeah, get a baby.
Get some more banana?
How much one? The older one. This order, yeah.
60 years. Bonbon.
You see baby underneath?
Bonbon.
Well, oh yeah,
Underneath, baby.
baby there.
Baby.
He looks nice. Happy eyes. Look at him. Yeah, he's hungry.
Yeah.
Hungry.
Hungry. Feeding the first one. And photo feeding second one.
Okay. So brother, here, a small one. Yes. Wait, that bonbon is a bit sketchy.
Yeah, no.
Here. Here. Wait. Great. You don't have nothing, brother. No, it's like a full-time job feeding animals. Here.
Yeah.
Look.
Feed me.
Feed me. Look at the small one there.
Oh, I want to try and feed that one.
Small one eat banana or no?
Okay, no banana. Little one. We learn how to eat.
Ah. Will he take it like this from my hand? Will he take like this from my hand? Yeah.
Yeah, they will. Probably curl it though. Watch your
Here,
finger.
yeah. Ow, blood. Knock is strong. Here, brother. Banana. Not for you. I'll bring you a bit. I'll bring you some. Wait. Here, banana. Blood. Here.
Stop that here.
Give it to the small one. Hey, you want some banana? Yeah. Good boy.
Might just put a basket there.
You just like, you like lazy at everything, even feeding animals. Good. You like it? Good?
What if you grabbed your arm?
No way am I
Yeah.
doing that.
Bonbon? Fucking hell. Bonbon? Bonbon? Yeah, put it in then.
I want to say hi to the little one.
Take some more. Yes, come on. My god. Yeah, buddy, this is sick. first time I'm doing this. It's kind of scary to do the bonbon. Bonbon. It feels like they're gonna take your hand off.
You're not hot.
I am boiling. Bonbon.
Give it some bonbon shot. What are you doing? Yeah,
Give him some bonbon. Yes, I got some. Hey, bonbon. 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 Yes. What's up? You want some? There we go.
is that meant to happen?
Yeah, they just opened it. Brother, I was feeding you. Why are you being such a disrespectful? Oh, look at this one.
The baby's gonna eat the elephant.
Look, you don't even care about your bananas. Oh yeah, look, the small one. Woo. Here, banana there, banana there. Whoa.
Don't walk into me.
Yeah, I mean, if one of them steps on you, that's it. 4 tons.
This is ours.
He's gonna fart into you in a minute.
Oh, mate, shit's on.
Oh yeah, there is some more coming. Let's go, let's go. Whoa.
Pretty average, actually.
Hello.
Some hairy ears.
Stick your finger.
Oh, what's this? Whoa. Not very,
We need to mind where we're going.
Incredible. Incredible experience. I wanted to do this for so many years. And finally here we are.
Okay. Spider web. It's not mine. On back day.
Did he just scratch his balls with the top of his... Oh, look at this one. I think he's hot, putting dirt on himself. Oh, he just had a shit.
Oh.
Wow.
Elephant eat a lot, shit a lot,
Yeah.
fat a lot. Like you.
Yeah, cheers.
Why is he putting dirt on him? You see?
Keep body cool down.
Ah, so yeah, he was hot. I was right. He was hot.
Some
And
clothes
putting
nearby.
it in so he's cooled down.
Now we don't banana, not much touching, okay?
Okay.
Minimal contact. Take souvenir photo and learn what they do, what they eat.
The small one.
When he's born in the jungle around 2 o'clock. His mom, his mom, elephant man, 4 or 5 people walk around to see them. And then in the morning they bring back here. He cannot walk strong, you know.
Oh,
And they have to carry him, bring back here.
Next one on the
Yeah,
run, the
yeah.
first one.
Now he getting better. Now he's stronger. Okay. Now he can show.
Wow.
But it's a grandmom, you know, no milk. Yeah.
The white.
The mom there, you see the big one and the middle one.
So he said apparently this one is about 4 or 5 tons, and they eat like 10% of their body weight. So this little man eats like 500 kilograms of food a day and drinks 100 liters of water minimum a day. And what he said, they do all day is eat, shit, and have boom boom. Nice. Is this big one as well pregnant?
And then you have to run up and
So this one is pregnant and this one is pregnant.
So now the men, they know this one very soon, okay? Yeah, so they will.
That's like what he's saying, they're gonna give birth anytime soon. Look at this small one. So cute.
Savarika, Savarika.
you get a little shake for that.
Yeah, look at the small one. He's hardly walking. Look, he's trying to eat the grass. but he cannot. He's still too small. All he can eat is the, like from the mommy milk. Like, look at him, he's trying to.
Basically, it's got Is it reverse countdown?
Yeah, look, he's looking for food now. But apparently his mom doesn't have any milk right now, so he's going around all the elephants looking for the milk.
They're gonna eat in the jungle. And banana. And elephant man all about. Yeah, they're happy. This meant they're boring food down. Elephant eat everything. You see?
Oh!
Many gas in the stomach, okay?
So you're trying to eat that?
Unprotected.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not good, yeah?
You're learning.
Oh, he's trying to put the mud on.
You learn, but we...
Yeah, 40.
He's trying to eat dirt.
You see they got a funny hair.
Yeah.
Just soft like this. That's normal, okay? No more.
Yeah, he's suspicious.
If too many gas, very hard, okay? This one, doctor lab elephant come to stay sure. Is you have to check every day, and you have to check the pooping. Too dry or too soft or too, you know, you have to need a medium. So
Medium
I
rare.
teach you every day how to take care elephant. Not mean, oh, you touch elephant, oh, you touch
Hello.
them. No,
Oh, hi.
that's not a...
Imagine if the baby hadn't been born before he killed. I know, just thought.
Yeah, you can move one baby.
small one.
And now does that
Content.
because they're like, oh.
Oi, fui.
He wants to move.
I didn't.
Well.
Yeah, right now. I want to kill them.
Sawadee krap from me and my new friend, Johnny. Hey, Johnny. Tell something to them. Hey guys, like and subscribe, like and subscribe. Hey, here, even elephant telling you like and subscribe, lad. How many months? They're pregnant.
22 months also.
22 months.
Elephant long head none, 22 months.
Wow.
That's the look.
Look at his biceps.
Sometimes you feel it. You feel it sometimes. You know why elephant?
Yeah, that's a cool experience. But I wanna get to the waterfall with them faster.
Then you have to check the...
It gets a bit boring just standing here and looking at them.
Check the new, they can tell you
Like
how
all fun,
how fast.
feeding them, but then standing, looking how they eat is a bit boring.
If the color white, it means still a little
Oh,
bit
wait, what's he
more.
saying?
If the color to yellow, turn to yellow, it's very soon. So this one almost yellow, okay? So very soon. Yeah.
What are you looking at?
So, yellow, the milk, you have to check by the nature.
So that means that it's
So yeah, standing there, feeding them. I mean,
soon is
just standing there, watching how they eat is a bit
more than 1 week. Okay?
exciting for a couple of minutes,
Look, guys,
but then gets a bit boring.
very natural there, you see?
So I want to get to waterfall with them faster, see how they swim with them. If we are allowed, I'm not sure.
Yeah, you see?
And funny thing, he said that they live like people, like 60 years old, 70 years old. Pretty interesting because dogs live all very like small, yeah. Okay, I think we are finally going to the waterfall. Brother, come on, let's go. Pa. I hope there is no snakes here. We're going waterfall now.
Yeah.
We're going to waterfall now.
We're going to Waterfall now.
So they eat all day long, yeah?
18 hour eating.
18 hours. And how long they sleep? What, 4 hours? 4? Oh,
Oh, late.
Tired as fuck.
you know, it's 4 hours sleep. That's some incredible bulking diet. Let's follow the leader. That's a bit sketchy bridge.
Oh yeah, this is not good.
Yes. Where is the elephant? Sawadee krap, elephant! Yes, finally something more interesting. How is the water?
Cold. It's cold.
It's cold.
Cold, yeah.
Yeah. It's like English cold.
Cold, cold.
Like English cold.
How cold is it?
Here they come.
Yeah, you can fish water.
How heavy? How heavy maximum they get?
5 ton.
5 ton maximum.
5 ton. 5
So this big one is 5 ton as well or no?
No, it is about 1.5, 2 ton.
Ah, 1.5. And what is the biggest one you have?
4.5 ton.
4.5. 450 kilos a day.
Yeah.
Oh, he feels cold water. Yes.
I drink water 100 liter one day.
100 liter one day. Is that minimum or maximum? Maximum. Maximum 100 liters. Yeah, I told you it's minimum 100. It's maximum 100 liters per day. Look how he's doing it. He puts his nose inside. Oof. Why are they so slow? Well, I think that's the way they go up. Okay, now he's like 4.5 ton. How is he gonna go up this mountain? Look at it. Sawadee crab? You coming here? Okay, let's go. Which way are you going? You following here? Wait. Go, 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 go.
Hello.
Oh, he's coming fast. Hey, I don't want one of them stepping on me. Yeah, now we're going to the waterfall. I can hear the water. Whoa! Better watch where I'm going. Man, look how small is his road. How is he not falling? Oh, he's hungry. More food. Elephant wants more food.
Fucking put that camera
How
down.
the hell elephants going here?
Slowly.
Yeah?
Run down easy.
Oh yeah?
They not sleep?
Slide down.
The slide.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Easy walk down. And very difficult that's sliding down.
The slip's not. No?
Something happen on the feet.
Ah,
That's why I tell you, you need to teach them a little bit when they're young.
yeah.
To understand common words. That's important for them.
Yeah, yeah.
You can walk on the rock, can cut also, you know?
Yeah. And then hospital.
Yeah. But
Big,
it's small thing you can do yourself.
Is the hospital free or money?
Some money, yeah, money.
Big money. Yeah.
Yeah. Some get out, some pay a lot now.
Okay, let's carry on down. How the hell are they supposed to get down here, elephants? 4.5 ton. Slide down. What if we start sliding right now into us?
Yeah, they were fucked.
Oh look, he's coming. Hello. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't want him to slide into me.
I don't think it's slide.
You go this way or this way? Okay, move. Okay, no, he's coming fast. Yeah, look at him. So, I tell you, if he's falling right now, we are done. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Go.
Wait.
Mate. What position's it?
Look how narrow it is here. So he's coming.
Oh, go then.
Let's see how the elephant's gonna go. Look how narrow it is. And she's not even falling. Look. Wow.
Imagine
Nearly fall.
he smashes in the floor.
Look at him. Hungry again. She just look, stands just on one leg. Sorry, crab. Oh yes, yes, yes. Elephant good, yeah.
Hoppa!
Okay, okay. Pop. Now I see what he means when he says that they eat 18 hours a day. Look, he's just constantly going, stopping and eating. Come here. Yeah, you want some good water? Some nice cold water?
Water good, yeah?
I'm about to take a bath with you, my friend. Cold bath, ice bath.
Push him in.
Cold plunge. Yeah, push him in. He's the one coming this way, no?
You go in there as well.
Yeah, follow elephant.
Follow elephant.
Elephant leader, you are now.
Yeah, buddy.
Follow elephant.
Yeah, you're elephant, you're leader now.
Okay.
You can take off your shoe or you can walk in the water.
Yeah.
Yeah. Elephant have 4 legs, you have 2 legs, you have to walk.
Follow the elephant. You're gonna.
Oh, it's cold. That's cold.
Is it cold? Yeah. Look at the waterfall. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. Hello, Mr. Leader. Where are you leading us? Ooh. The water is a bit cold. Oh shit! And he's having a poo. Bamba! This is sketchy, so sketchy. Holy smokes! God damn!
That's cold.
It's not too bad, but it is cold. Sorry? Huh? Where he's going? Ah, go there. Okay. Let's go in the water. Whoa, stop. No, this is sketchy as What's up? Mr. Explorer.
Yeah.
Whoa! That's so deep. Whoa! It's like you can. Whoa!
Mate, what the fuck? It just goes deep and then shallow.
Oh, we can go in there.
Get the fuck out of this bed.
What the hell? It's like you walk on one rock, then you step one step, then it's like your half leg goes in, the next one is okay, and then you just nearly fall like he just did.
Mate, it just
Holy
goes, doesn't it?
moly. It looks not deep, but then once you step in it, it's like whoop! That's it. But look at the waterfall. Holy moly. How the hell does elephant come here?
I don't know.
Yeah, shoes would be better here, not slippers.
Yep. How did the elephants get up there?
Yeah, that's my question as well.
How did we get up there?
Look, po.
Nope. No six pack. It's all steel only.
Okay, let's get down to business. Show the business. Whoa! Oh, Mr. Sean. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, I'll try to go there, yeah. This is better out here. A bit safer. Wow, look at this.
Wow.
I think this waterfall is better than the one I've been at yesterday. If you remember the other video where it was in a waterfall, I think this looks way better. Plus the elephants. What can be even better? Yeah, buddy. Mr. Jurassic Park Explorer. And it's cold in here as well, guys. It's not like it's hot because we are up in the mountains. Like we are near. Whoa. We are near Do Itanol, so it's like Do Itanol is the highest point of Thailand, of all Thailand, the highest point. So you can imagine how cold the water is gonna be here. It's not like unbearable, but it is cold. And now from the waterfall, the breeze is coming, the little, like, you know, the drops of water coming, and like now it's getting cold. Feels like it's like 15 degrees or 12 degrees right now. Actually, I don't know. I'm just saying. Okay, elephants are just up there. Can you see them? Just crossing the water. One is already getting closer to us. How much longer we need to wait for them, I don't know. But let's wait. What's the point of looking how elephants crossing the river? Like, I can see it all from here. Not a big of a deal. I want to swim with them, but it's gonna be cold. Very cold. Oh, here they come. Here they come.
Yeah, you can go in the water. Don't have to, yeah. Yeah, you can. Yeah. Okay.
You going in? What? You going in? Oh, okay.
Come down, come down.
Need to get undressed. Hello, mate. Hello, pick up. You go in the water. Hello. Hey, brother, go in the water. He just doesn't want to listen to me. I'm your boss now. I'm your boss now. Neil. I'm going in, Neil. Bucket, man. Bucket. Yeah. Ah. What's up, elephant?
Nice.
That's cold. Come here. Oh, he's going away. He doesn't want to be wet. Here. Come on, you want some? Here, big fella. Come here. Oh yes, there we go, there we go. I've seen it. Wait. Oh, okay. Can you pass the her one? Thank you. Oh, look at this one. Yeah, buddy. You're not cold? Not cold?
I have a feeling it's not quite so sexy when I do it.
Elephant good, yeah? Elephant good, yeah? Oh, it's flat then. Ah! It's cold. Oh, go here.
Mate, I did, it's just gone, man. It's used to stop.
Yeah, wash your ass. This elephant poops, so I need to wash his ass now. Yeah. Watch me. Every video. What's that? That's gonna be the least elegant thing ever. Go on, man. Is it not slippery? No? Here. I think it's too slippery. What am I doing? What the hell? Woo! Oh my god! Woo! Damn! Look at that! Yeah, buddy! Pussy! They cannot get. Okay, now it's time for me to get down as well. Oh my god! This is so cool! Okay, time to get down. This is so cool. Yeah, buddy. Oh. That water is hitting you is a bit painful actually. Actually, the big one especially. Holy moly. But this was so good. Oh my god. I think this is the best thing I ever did in my life for now. Best thing. Wow. Wow. I'm guessing it's time to go. Mr. Schneider is a gentleman. Gentleman. Wow. But now it's a bit cold. Ow. I just fell. My feet. That was a bit painful. Can you pass me my slipper? That was a slippery stone. Whoa. Yeah guys, if you are coming here, make sure you bring shoes with you, not slippers. Slippers are not good here. Yeah, I just hurt my feet a little bit. Oh. Thank you. And that's it, elephants. Just had a swim with elephants. We are back at the camp here. If you remember, that's where we started, down there. They're just bringing some food for us now. Saudi crab. Aloy Mag? Aloy? So yeah, we're gonna go have some food now. And I think after that we're just gonna head back to the minivan that brought us here. It's gonna be a fun ride back. Okay then. See you in a second.
I have beer 50 baht, Coke 30 baht, okay?
Chang?
Chang.
50
Chang,
baht.
yes. Did somebody say Chang?
20.
Chang.
20 baht.
Lord, Chang beer 50 baht, very cheap.
Is that cheap?
Yeah, in 7-Eleven it's 45 baht.
Oh yeah?
11, 50 baht already.
Oh, 50 baht now.
Not used to the price.
Last year was 40 baht, 5.
Beer.
Can I take one, yeah?
You want beer?
You pay, yeah.
You have beer as
No,
well.
I'm not drinking beer.
Oh, he said, remember?
With me.
He only take lady boys.
Can I have 2 beers?
2 beer, C.
I said, Nung is one,
Song.
Song, Sam, Sip,
C.
C.
Sip, sip, sip.
How much?
And half.
4 beer, easy.
What is half? 50?
5.
5, yeah. Hoxib baht. How much is that? Hoxib.
60.
Hoxib. And 50?
50.
Oh, Hasib, yeah. Easy baht, 20 baht, yeah?
Yeah.
Sip baht,
10 baht.
10 baht. I know a little bit, Nick.
You speak good now.
Chang.
Cha-chang.
Elephants on the Chang, elephants in front of me.
Ching-chang.
And one fat Englishman in front of me. Oh yeah, look, check out the food they bring to us. Fresh fruit, rice and egg,
Watermelon.
yeah, pineapple,
Watermelon.
Yeah.
Fry.
French fries as well, yeah, look at the roll.
Soup, tofu.
Tofu soup. And some spring rolls or meat rolls. Wow, this looks so good. Okay, time to eat some food then. Should we go see if elephants want some Chang? Hey,
Chang.
elephant. You want some Chang? He drink Chang? Okay, we was just eating here and check who we are feeding here. Sneaking my food. Hey? You like it, yeah? How cool is that? Okay, you need to say bye-bye to the elephants. Bye-bye, elephant. Oh, he's warm.
The baby inside.
Oh, this one is pregnant, yeah.
You see normally the first now open.
Ah,
So baby soon, okay?
yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Baby here now.
Ah.
Baby.
And this one is normal, yeah.
No more.
Yeah.
And no more.
Not hanging there, yeah.
Baby.
Wow.
You see baby? Inside already. ลูกมาอยู่นี่มันได้นะลูกเนาะลงแล้วใกล้แล้วครับ
See you. Bye-bye. See you next time. Be good. High five? No? Okay.
No baby, no baby.
Oh, it's not the, yeah.
Whoa.
How big?
See you later, elephants. See you next time. Time to get into the VIP car again. What? VIP car. For the VIP people. Whoa. Time to go. Bye bye. See you. Kapong crab.
Bye.
Here we go again.
This is the side that came off.
Yes, that's the side that came off. Schneider venture is over. Okay, we made it down safely Thanks for that. Here is our mini one down there. Get back to the Chiang Mai and probably go to sauna. So see you there.